Welcome to Powertrain Products,
the nation's #1 supplier for remanufactured drivetrain components. Where service doesn't end with your order, it begins.
where we don't just sell engines, we know engines.
Free liftgate service available with every delivery.
Earn your independence from low labor payouts and mileage caps with our Powertrain Promise and our Pure Care warranties.
We'll come pick your old core up for you.
Freedom from upfront core charges.
And since this is the land of the free, not only will we let you install your own engine, but we'll offer you an install kit to help you get the job done. If you're planning on purchasing your new drivetrain component over the 4th of July holiday weekend, don't forget to use code 2020 July 4th to save $100 on your next install kit or Pure Care plan.
Happy Independence Day from everyone at Powertrain Products.
To buy your new drivetrain component today, call us at 888-842-0023 or visit us online at powertrainproducts.net.